There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing and I love you guys so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Thank you. And may God Almighty continue to bless you for supporting SEXYOSAS TV. Okay guys, if you want to know how this Hight Ponytail was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye.
Hello my guys, people. Hope you guys are doing fine. As hope you guys are doing fine. For me, good guys. Okay guys, today's video, oh my god, I'm going to be doing a very high ponytail. Oh my god, okay guys, I know you are going to enjoy it. Okay, you are going to like it too. Let me put it that way. So much. So you know, you all know I don't like gel because of my front hair. I've been having this problem of growing my front hair.
So, but today I'm not going to be using gel. You all know I don't really like gel on my hair.
Tomorrow,
not that I don't like gel, but I don't like putting
so
it
guys,
on
I'm
my
going to be
hair
using this. My
always make my hair
already use
fall apart,
expressions to weave
so
my
guys,
hair
I'm going to be
so that I
using
will
this
get that right high ponytail I'm looking for, guys. You all know SEXYOSAS. I love good things. I love fancy things. I love beautiful things, guys. Let me put it that way. Okay guys, I'm not good in doing voiceover, but I just have to try my best doing it in all my video, guys, you know. Anyway, thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Thank you so much. I really want to appreciate you all, my whole subscribers and my today's subscribers. Okay, my today's subscribers, you guys are welcome to my channel. All right, this is your SEXYOSAS TV. When you come to this channel, oh my god, you are going to laugh. Okay, this channel, there's no dull moments here. All right. Okay guys, and for my whole subscribers, you guys are so amazing. You guys are so lovely. I love you all so much. Okay guys, this oil, I'm going to be using this oil. You know, I'm not going to be using gel at all because I don't like using gel on my hair, but I will be using this spray gel. Okay, let me call it that. Spray gel, you know. So this is the only thing I'm going to be using today, guys. All right, with my expression. You can also use gel if you want. Okay, if you are not having that problem of your hair pulling off like mine, you know, you can use gel to do this ponytail, and I know it's going to be more beautiful. Let me put it that way. Okay, you know, so me trying to just do my hair like that without gel, oh my goodness, is okay. Let me put it that way, it's okay, you know. So I'm going to be using this expression today. You all know this color is a beautiful color. It's not a too sharp color. Okay, I love using color, you know, to do my hair. I don't really know why. That is what I love. Okay, so you can use any type of color you want, you know, use any type, black, yellow, purple, whatever. So today I'm using this purple, you know. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Just using this my iron comb to make sure it's straight, you know. That is it, guys. Oh my god, I'm trying so hard to make sure I do this voice over. Okay, thank you so much guys for people that is supporting me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so amazing. All right, you guys are so beautiful. You guys are so lovely. You know, SEXYOSAS love you all for always supporting me, for always jump into my channel to watch my video, to subscribe, give me your beautiful comments. Oh my goodness, you guys are so beautiful. So if you want to do your ponytail, you need to make sure you have a high wave, you know, so that you can get that high ponytail you are looking for. That is just it. Before wrapping your hair, you need to bring out some expression, you know, to use it to wrap it, you know, to your high waving, okay, so make it high as you want. Okay, so sometimes I don't like high ponytail, but sometimes, you know, I do like high ponytail. I love high ponytail more than low ponytail. Let me put it that way. Okay, guys, that is it, guys. Can see it's so beautiful. The color is so cool. I love it so much. I'm super happy doing this for myself. Okay, if you don't learn, you know, if you want to learn, you want to be doing your hair yourself, this channel is for you guys. If you don't get it today, trust me, you are going to get it tomorrow, step by step. Continue watching my video. I'm not perfect, you know, I always say it in all my video. I'm not perfect. I'm just doing what I know how to do best. Okay, I'm still learning. So guys, today I'm just going to be doing a little makeup on my face. I'm not going to be showing you guys how I do this entire face of mine, but just little by little, you know. I don't want the video to be too long, you know. I don't like a boring video. Let me put it that way. I just want you guys to see the important part of this video, you know. That's why I just have to make sure I edit it so fast, you know, to give you what you want. All right, guys, I know some of my words I'm not really making sense, but you just have to pick the one that has sense, you know, and forget about the rest. Okay, that is me for you. SEXYOSAS is a funny girl. If you are with SEXYOSAS, oh my goodness, you're going to laugh. If you are with me, there is no sadness. I don't like unhappy place. All I want to be happy all the time. I want to be laughing all the time, saying oh my goodness all the time. That is me for you guys. So this is how I blend my makeup, my foundation, you know. You have your own way of doing. I don't really like much makeup, guys. I just do it. I'm doing a simple makeup today for this tutorial, guys. Oh my god, that is it. Oh my god, look at it. This is me, SEXYOSAS. Okay, I'm done with everything right now, and I hope you like it, you know. And I hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching to this place. Okay, let me put it the way. Thank you for watching to this place. You can see your beautiful angel, your SEXYOSAS, your baby girl. This is it, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for everything, for your subscription. You guys are so amazing, and see you on my next video, guys. Bye.
See you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.